Hello guys, welcome to a new episode of the new channel on YouTube, Basic Abstract. We do abstract stuff basically. So today I'm going to talk about the top 5 apps that will keep you engaged during the quarantine. So let's get started. Okay guys, so the first app on the list is Autodesk. So Autodesk is generally, a painting book or a sketchbook you can say, which is free of cost. You can import the images that you want from your gallery or just start from scratch. You can choose the resolution of the canvas size. You also have the layers option. You have a lot of tools like selection, symmetry, time-lapse, text, import image and everything. You also have a lot of pencils, markers, brushes, strokes and everything and literally anything that a painting person needs or an artist needs. You can also choose the various colors that you need from the color palette or just enter the color code to get your desired color. You also have the color picker, so you don't have to do much of a work to get your desired color. Clicking that button actually gives you the full screen view, so you can draw or write whatever you want that you desire, and I think this will keep you engaged during the quarantine. So that's the first app. So let's move to the next one. So the next app on the list is Artstation. So basically Artstation is a field or a place where you can share your artwork, your digital art, your traditional art on paper, whatever you design, whatever you create, whatever you need, you can share it with full confidence in this app. So this app is basically a place for all the artists out there. Like you can show off your art. So as in the quarantine, you might draw a lot, you can upload your pictures or your artwork in this place. It's just like Instagram where people upload photos. You can upload artwork here. You can also give your artwork a title, a description, a medium, whether it's 3D, it's 2D, or traditional 2D or traditional 2D. You have a lot of topics where you can put your artwork into, like a playlist. You can also choose which software you're expert in, like Photoshop, as I'm searching here. So you have to just type up Photoshop and it will just search the software, and you have to just click on that software and it will tell you as you are a part of the Photoshop community. So when people search for Photoshop artists, if you are good in your work, you can get into that. You can also add tags and you can upload your work into this field. The next thing is that the main point is this app actually offers you jobs in different areas. Like if you're an animator, you're an FX artist, or if you're a 3D environment artist, a lead character artist, or a graphic designer, a UI, UX designer, whatever, you can search for the job. You also have kind of filters like the job type, the country, remote work, relocation assistance and everything, so you can actually search for a job. But since we are in quarantine, this option is not going to help you much, but still you can show off your art in a place where people care about art much than photos or anything else. Rather than doing the boring Instagram challenges, I think this will be more fun. And then going to blogs, this thing actually is like the place where you get the new trending stuff, where people upload daily, and you can also filter it out on which topic you want to see much of it. You get blogs based on digital art and everything else. So that's about that. The next app on the list is home workout. As you guys are all staying at home and just eating food, you guys may put on weight. So I think it's gonna be start a home workout session. So the next app here, as I'm saying, is home workout. So there's a lot of packages that you can choose from. Like there's full body 7 to 4 challenge, lower body challenge, abs gainer, chest beginner. I mean, there's a lot. You can choose a lot, and you can also set a goal if you want. So if I choose the 7 to 4 challenge, that's week 1, and if I click on day 1, it'll just show me a bunch of exercises I have to do on day 1. And if I just start, just show me how I should do, or if I have a doubt, I can just click on the video option and it will take me to YouTube and show how it should be done in a perfect way. So that's how it works. Coming out of it, you can also keep a reminder if you want to be reminded daily, and you can also select when it should be repeated. If you don't want it on Saturday and Sunday, you can check it off. You can also click on the timing so as to change the timing. If you want to restart the entire progress and you have to start from the beginning, you can just click on restart progress, click OK, and you can start from the beginning as a beginner. So that's the app. So happy workout. Okay, next app is Anydesk. It's kind of surprising, I'm recommending Anydesk as an app which will keep you engaged during the quarantine. Actually, if you think deeper, you can actually ask your friend to download Anydesk on his phone, and you guys can connect together, share screen, and watch a same movie at the same time. So that's why I said you can install Anydesk to keep you engaged in quarantine. It's kind of boring to watch a movie on your own without anyone. And if you're used to watch movies with your friends and family, it could be kind of hard. So you can ask your friend out to download Anydesk, and it will actually provide you and him or her with a code. So you can just type his or her code on your phone, and it will actually just show whatever he or she is watching on her or his phone, and you can actually see it on your phone live. So that will help you watch movies together. And sometimes there's a glitch that Anydesk is not allowing you to communicate with live audio with your friends. So you can just put a call and keep that in the background, and you guys can share real-time reactions and also watch a movie together. So grab some popcorn. Last app in the list is okay, kind of not helpful for everyone, but still might be helpful for people who are just running their phone in currently Android, KitKat, or Lollipop. So if you guys use your phone a lot and always face battery issues these days because you're in your home and you don't have nothing to do, so you use your phone all the time. So if you're facing the problem of battery standby, you can actually download this app on the Play Store. It's called Dark Mode, which literally just makes your phone dark mode, entirely, including Instagram, Play Store, YouTube, and literally everything that can't be dark mode in KitKat or lower version. So this app actually runs in literally any phone with any Android version. It could be even Jelly Bean, I'm just saying. So you can just download that, and if you don't know, dark mode actually increases your charge standby efficiency. So this could actually give you more standby time so that you can spend more time. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you liked it. Make sure to click that like button and also smash that subscribe button so that you keep notified when I upload some crazy cool videos on this. Peace.